Hey, today I'm going to show you how to change battery on a Ford push start. It's very simple actually. You just take the emergency key out, then we're going to take this cover out. We're going to put the flathead and just pull this thing out. And we're going to have the battery right here, CR2450. I'm going to take this battery and just put a new one in it. And we're going to put this back together. And we're all done. If after you change the battery the key still doesn't work, you can watch my video about 4 common reasons why keys stop working in the link below. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe.